Hi guys, happy February. I wanted to share how I use my journals and planners for the month of January, kind of do like a flip through. Here I have my bullet journal, my reading journal, and then my Moseri vertical planner. So I thought I would start out with the Moseri first, just to kind of do an overview as to how I ended up using this planner and my thoughts on it. In this front pocket here, I've just been keeping these little sticky circles, the A6 Hobonichi stencil set, and some of these quotes that I found on Amazon, along with this cardstock here. And actually I had a stack of Swatelier stickers, and I have no idea where they are right now. It was like a big fatty stack, so I'm a little anxious in that I'm worried that I placed them somewhere where I won't remember, or hopefully did not lose them, but I'll keep you guys posted. Hopefully you'll see them next time. Okay, so the front page here, but yeah, I just noticed them missing this morning. Anyway, here's my kind of year at a glance. I used sort of one of the stencil outlines to create this border here. See, it's actually from this set here. I just used the rounded one, but there's also kind of a sharper edge. And I did that on each box, and I sort of highlighted the important dates, let's see, anniversaries, birthdays, trips, things like that in these boxes. So if I didn't want to flip through my planner and I wanted to see them kind of in an overview, this was a really nice way to do that. All right, so this is my monthly, pretty stacked for January. I'm really happy with this planner overall. I feel like I found a way to kind of use it to my liking and my own aesthetic, and incorporating some stenciling, washi tape, stickers, but still looking kind of neat. So the first thing I did when I started off January was added the washi tape here, and then I ended up boxing off this side over here and sort of documenting my books reading and watching log on the left hand side. And for some birthdays and highlights, I kind of did these sticky tabs. I don't think I'm going to do that for the following months, but I did add in some cute stickers, which is the pack that I'm looking for. I don't know where it is. I will find it. And then highlighting kind of something on each day. So it looks very busy, and honestly, it was a really busy month, but I think having like the highlight of something each day, whether it's like a birthday or an appointment or something that you're doing, it's kind of a fun way to do it. And again, I use these little stickers that I'm missing, but I put them up top, and I think that looks really, really cute. This is my January tracker. I received a gift card from my husband for books. So one of the gift cards was like a $200 one. So I was just writing down the books that I'm buying with my gift card. You know what's so funny? So when I'm buying books on my own, I don't give it like a second thought, but for some reason I'm like, oh, do I really want this book? I'm going to use this gift card. I don't know. It's a very strange mental game. So maybe I need to just kind of like load it onto my phone and just pay with it so I can pick up more books. But I did pick up a second bookshelf, and I am really excited about how my office space is kind of turning into. So these are the books that I read this month. I read 7 books, really happy with that. My show and movie log, and then just some monthly things, and then the tracker, which honestly I'm not really good with tracking things in terms of like, did I do this day, that day? I usually like fill them in towards like the end of the week, so I kind of trailed off at the end, so not very good there, but I was doing these things here. I just wasn't marking it, so maybe I'll be better in February. We'll see. This is a December glance, or week at a glance here. I'm going to skip through. I think we've already seen that. All right, so this is January. So I started to sort of outline the overall box here, and that was a theme that I think I carried through most of January, adding in some washi tape, some thoughts, highlighting some boxes, adding these little circle stickers. And yeah, I think I like really liked how things turned out. This one was done in like a yellowish tone, so you can't really see here, but if you follow along with me in previous videos, you'll know that I like to do plan with me's with you guys, and if I am doing it that way, I'll usually jot down notes on this post-it throughout the week or from the week before, so that I can put it all together into my planner in one session. So I decided on the second week that I would start including that little post-it, because I think the effect of like layered pieces of paper, I don't know, it's kind of fun. So this is actually a little cardstock piece from these little dictionary library series, and I bought a whole bunch more from Amazon. They are not stickers, they're just like individual words, and then you can glue it into your planners, and I think it adds like a nice little touch. And this is just like a little stamp that I added, some stickers from my shop, and yeah, some banners and outlines. I was really happy with how this layout came out as well. This is the third week. As you can see, I also added in another post-it, but I did do a little stamp sketch here. If you guys want to learn how to make your stamps look kind of sketched out or hand-drawn, let me know. I can make a video in the future on how to do this. It's really, really simple and gives, as you can see, a nice effect to the layouts. In this week, I also started to add in some of these like decorative scene stickers from Alibaba website and some of the girl stickers from my own Etsy shop here, again with the big border around it, and then my stencil outlines here to kind of highlight certain spots. And this was just I guess last week now. We had a SeaWorld Legoland adventure weekend, so that was really fun. And oh, I also picked up these little quotes, which you guys probably saw in the beginning in this little pocket here. Really liking how that looks. And then starting to add these little dots. And this is February. I'm just starting into it. Like I said, today is actually the 30th of January, so we're not yet into February just yet. But yeah, I started to highlight things that we'll be doing, some classes. I added in some washi tape and added one of the quotes on the top and bottom here. Add in my stickers here, and also going back to this outline of the box here. I think in January it actually went all the way down to the bottom. Oh yeah, so there's the difference between the two. This page is looking pretty clean and pretty happy with it so far. I have not yet filled out the February tracker, and this is the week that I'm officially on, which I'll be doing later today. But okay, so that is my Mosery planner. Really, really happy with this. If you guys are planning with a Mosery, let me know if you got the horizontal or the vertical. I'm loving the vertical so far. All right, so here is my reading journal. I did post a video or two showcasing how I made the journal, but as like a little clip here, I'll just recap. In this pocket, I'm adding in some of the books that I plan to be reading soon, and I actually think what I'm going to do is print out all the books on my bookshelf just so I have them on hand. And so when I'm reading them, I don't have to like find the image, print it out, cut it out. I'm just going to do them all at once. So I might do that today. A little bit of like an intro page here. It says book journal. And this was my 2022 spread. I do have a video like showcasing the reading journal more thoroughly, so I'm not going to kind of duplicate that here, but you can check it out if you'd like. These are my suspense slash love novels from 2022 as well. And then, oh, I have to put a best of January book up. So this is January. I ended up reading 7 books. And I think I can just tell you guys here which one I would place. I would put The Housemaid as my best of 2023 read. So I think what I'm going to do is cut this out or print another one out and paste it right in the middle over here. And then if, say, I wanted to wait until I had more images to print them out at once, you could just kind of write in pencil here because you would be sticking the image on top of your writing anyway. So yeah, really excited with my reading from January. Hopefully I can keep this up. And lastly, we've got my bullet journal here. And you know, this was kind of like, I'm not really sure if I will be continuing like a bullet journal throughout the entire year. I would like to, because I think it's a nice place to write down my thoughts, keep up with like overall goals for the month. The Mosery is great, but it doesn't have a lot of writing space, so we'll see. But maybe I'll find a way to incorporate it into that journal so that I don't have 3 going this year, but we'll see. So I did sort of a Dutch door, my very first one for this year. Just kind of showing January and some important dates here. And then I sort of had like an activity log things that were happening. So like an overview for books, and then an event overview, a movie one, and a trip one. And then again, adding some of these like dictionary clips and some pictures. Had social media tracker type things, video ideas, and then sort of a reflection page here, which is almost like a journaling page. So yeah, that's basically a recap of the 3 planners and journals that I used for January. If you guys are interested in seeing sort of a 2023 bullet journal supply video, let me know. Oh my gosh, I just found the stickers. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So these are the stickers that I was like missing for maybe 10 minutes. So I'm so happy. I literally just looked over and I had tucked it into my little planner cart. I'll show you guys here. You guys are like, what is she doing? So anyway, I have this little planning like tray, 2-tier little tray where I keep like washi tape, some stickers, ephemera, and apparently I thought it was a genius idea to tuck this into the side here, but because they're kind of transparent, I didn't see them. So anyway, very happy about that. So I actually think my next video might be a 2023 bullet journal like favorites or supply video. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that, but otherwise I will see you guys next week in another video. Thank you.